Hello children, in the previous video we already have discussed about perimeter of rectilinear figures. In this video we will see the solution of questions given in exercise 77. Look at it is question number 5. In this question it is given the perimeter of a triangle is 16 cm and two of its sides measure 3.8 cm and 5.6 cm respectively. Find the third side. As the perimeter is given 16 cm and sum of two given sides are 3.8 plus 5.6 cm is equal to 9.4 cm. Hence, the third side is equal to 16 cm minus 9.4 cm. 16.0 minus 9.4, we are getting 6.6. Therefore, the measurement of the third side is 6.6 cm. Look at question number 6. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 17.7 cm. And you have to find out the length of each side of the triangle. We know that equilateral triangle means whose all the three sides are equal. And length of each side of an equilateral triangle is given is equal to perimeter divided by 3. And here the perimeter is given 17.7 cm. Therefore, 17.7 cm divided by 3 is equal to 5.9 cm. Hence, we can say the measurement of each side of this equilateral triangle is 5.9 cm. Now see question number 7. Find the perimeter of each of the rectangle with the following dimension. Here the length and breadth are given and you have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Look at here, perimeter of the given rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. L is given 36 cm and breadth is given 29 cm. Therefore, the sum of these two is equal to 65 cm and 2 into 65 cm. Finally, the perimeter is equal to 130 cm. Here children, we know that 100 cm is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, we can convert 100 cm is equal to 1 meter 30 cm. Now see, the second rectangle whose length is 7 meter and breadth is 5 meter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So, 2 into 7 meter plus 5 meter, 2 into 12 meter. The sum is 12 meter. Therefore, finally, the perimeter is 24 meter. Look at example number C. Length 2 meter 60 centimeter and breadth 1 meter 90 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 meter 60 centimeter plus 1 meter 90 centimeter. Here the sum is 4 meter 50 centimeter. Therefore, 2 into 4 meter 50 centimeter is equal to, finally we are getting 9 meter. Hence the perimeter is equal to 9 meter. In this way, you have to find out the perimeter of rectangle number D by using this formula. Now look at question number 8. In question number 8, it is given the perimeter of a rectangle is 110 centimeter and its length is 35 centimeter. What is the breadth of the rectangle? The breadth of the rectangle is equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus length. Therefore, breadth is equal to perimeter is given 110 centimeter divided by 2 minus the length is given 35 centimeter. 110 centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 55 centimeter. 55 centimeter minus 35 centimeter. Finally, the breadth we are getting 20 centimeter. In the same way, children, question number 9, perimeter is given and breadth is given. Here you have to find out the length. So, I think you can do this one by yourself. Now, see question number 10. Find the perimeter of the square, each of whose sides measure 45 centimeter. As we know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Therefore, 4 into 45 centimeter, we are getting here 180 centimeter. And 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, we can write 180 centimeter is equal to 1 meter 80 centimeter. Similarly, number B, the side is given 16 meter. Therefore, perimeter of the given square P is equal to 4 into side. So, 4 into 16 meter. Finally, it is 64 meter. Now, look at number C. Side is given 2 meter 10 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 4 into side. So, 4 into 2 meter 10 centimeter. And it is 8 meter 40 centimeter. Applying this formula, you have to do number D by yourself. Now look at question number 11. The sides of a triangular field are 35 meter, 60 meter and 110 meter. Find the length of wire required to fence the field. Fence means boundary. Now look at the triangular field has sides these three. Perimeter of the field 35 plus 60 plus 110 meter. It is 205 meter. Therefore, the length of the wire required to fence the field is equal to 205 meter. Okay, the length of the boundary means the length of the perimeter. Therefore, the length of the wire needed to fence the field is equal to 205 meter. Look at question number 12. A rectangular picture frame is 54 centimeter long and 36 centimeter wide. What will be the length of the wooden frame required to make it? As the picture frame has length 54 centimeter and breadth 36 centimeter. Therefore, length of the wooden frame required to make it means the perimeter of the picture. Perimeter is equal to 2 into 54 centimeter plus 36 centimeter. That means 2 into 90 centimeter and it is 180 centimeter. As 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, therefore, it is 1 meter 80 centimeter. Okay. So, we can conclude that the length of the wooden frame will be 1 meter 80 centimeter. Next, question number 13. A wall is built around a rectangular plot of land, length 63 meter, breadth 47 meter. Find the cost of constructing the wall at the rate of rupees 130 per meter. Since the length of the plot 63 meter and breadth of the plot 47 meter, therefore perimeter of the plot 2 into L plus B, 2 into 63 meter plus 47 meter. That means 2 into 110 meter is equal to 220 meter. Therefore, the length of the wall is equal to 220 meter. Therefore, the cost of the constructing the wall is equal to rupees 220 into 130 as the rate is 130 per meter. Therefore, rupees 28600. That means it is 28,600. Finally, you can conclude it that the cost of the constructing the wall is rupees 28,600. Now see question number 14. Tanvi runs 3 times around a square field, each of whose side measures 95 meter. How much distance does she run? Side of the square field 95 meter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 4 into 95 meter means 380 meter. As she runs 3 times around the park, therefore distance she runs is equal to 380 into 3 meter. It is 1140 meter. And we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, we can convert it as 1 kilometer 140 meter. And the last question, question number 15. The total length of the fence around a square field is 308 meter. Find the length of each side of the field. Length of the fence is equal to perimeter of the field. Therefore, each side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. So, 308 meter divided by 4 is equal to 77 meter. Hence, we can conclude that the length of each side of the field, which is in square shape, is equal to 77 meter. I think it is clear to you. You have to repeat all the sums in your classwork copy neatly. Thank you.